TBox is a multi-communication platform. It is able to handle several languages at the same time. Let's experiment multi-communication. Let's see if I can do the same. Okay, play.
TBox is a multi-communication platform.
De TBox is een multi-communicatieplatform.
TBox è una piattaforma multicomunicazione.
TBox es una plataforma de multicomunicaciones.
TBox ist ein Multikommunikationsplattform.
TBox 是多通讯平台。
TBox est une plateforme
De
multicommunication.
TBox is een
TBox is a multi-communication platform.
TBox ist ein Multikommunikationsplattform.
TBox es una plataforma de multicomunicaciones.
TBox is a multi-communication
TBox
platform.
is ein multi-communications.
I can't do it, but yes, TBox can. TBox is able to communicate simultaneously on different ports with different protocols. TBox supports 20 simultaneous connections. As an example, let's take a look at MS CPU32X.
The MS CPU32X is based on the classical MS CPU32 with its Ethernet and serial ports. It contains the telecontrol stack with all TBox features: PLC, alarming, data logging, IP connections, communications. In addition, it integrates two SHDSL modem for fast connection over long distances. To illustrate the possible communication, let's use two MS CPU32X. SHDSL modems allows connection up to 15 kilometers through a pair of cables. Each CPU has its local process controlling I/O through ladder or basic. Each CPU has local communication to field devices or existing equipments in Modbus or other standard protocols. An IP camera is connected to an Ethernet port of the CPU. This allows streaming access or sending of snapshot in case of alarms. A PC connected at one end can access the remote TBox through bridge configuration. This makes the CPU acting as a big switch, transparent to any IP communication. A standard top-end SCADA can connect to TBox through standard protocols as IEC or DNP3. Local communication as remote communication is also supported by a wide range of SCADA among Wonderware, Control Maestro, Cytec, PVSS, etc. CPU can be cabled in daisy chain topology, each having its local process and communication to local devices. Mentioning IP camera, it is very useful in doubt removal. You can visualize a site online through video streaming and receive a snapshot at any moment. This can be used with any model of IP camera connected to any model of TBox. Let's take a look at the demo. Here is an example of a site supervision using web forms. The image comes from the TBox. It illustrates the topology of this demo. Two MS CPU32X connected through DSL modems. We have a Modbus slave device connected to the remote TBox, as well as an IP camera. Let's go to the local TBox. One can insert image within the web form. You can see here my office, by the way. Modbus communication is carried out between CPU, communication that I can stop and start from here. We can see data coming from the remote TBox is not refreshed anymore. This does not affect at all the display of the image. From the local TBox, we can also see data and status of the Modbus slave device connected to the remote TBox. It is also possible to access directly the remote TBox through the local TBox. The video stream can also be displayed. Another use of the camera is the sending of a snapshot at any time using alarm condition. Image can be sent as mail or as file to a FTP server or SD card. Oh, something wrong is going on here. Excuse me.
You see how TBox can protect your assets. TBox is good. TBox is smart. Multi-communication principle can be applied to any model of TBox, with, of course, more or less features, according to the model of RTU. As a conclusion, mankind cannot do and understand several things at the same time. Fortunately, TBox can. And women too.